here we are, week 11. We're coming up on the end of the 12-week span, and I have been sort of reflecting and ruminating on some of the things that I have already gotten out of this process. Some in addition to reaching goals, which I have reached many of my goals already. Some of the things that I'm noticing, the results, are clarity, focus, and attention. Those are three biggies for me. I am seeing clearly, feeling clear, my brain is clearer, there's a new level of clarity. And I think that I can achieve even greater clarity by continuing on this planning path. I know exactly what my priorities are and my focus is every day, right? In spite of the curveballs that life throws me and everybody. Another big result is I am identifying my obstacles. My life obstacles, my mental, emotional, spiritual, physical, all of the obstacles that I need to work around or overcome to achieve my great work. So those are huge. And I, in this process, have done a complete line edit on my goals document, tweaking, adding things, taking things out, specifying more clearly, adding in things that I didn't think of before. So it's been a complete editing and tweaking process. And then I finally completed this little chart that I have at the beginning, the have, do, be. And it has become a affirmation or a reminder when I look at this every week to embody these aspirations. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. I am present. I am rested. I am joyful. I am playful. I have fun. I love my life. I am safe. I am calm. I choose to be here. I create magic every day. I listen to and act on my intuition. I radiate love, kindness, and joy. I have strong boundaries. Now, these are in process, but embodying the emotion of that reality in this moment is really helping me get more clarity. So after editing, tweaking, refining this along the way, I have been working through the week by week tracking and scoring. So week 9, I did really well, getting a lot of the things done. Week 10, a little bit of less, you can see I only scored 29 of the 42 points there. I've got the personal tactics really down, which is a great foundation. And now getting those work tactics. And these work tactics for me are specifically for those great works, those big goals that I have that are not directly related to my day job. So I have to get all of the day job tactics and things done in addition to these. So this is why I was still behind that week from the week at the hospital. So this week, I haven't been scoring because it's not the end of the week yet. We're in the middle of week 11 for me at this point. So I have tweaked my list here based on what I've achieved already, getting more clarity and understanding what my obstacles are. So here's week 11, and I am really looking forward towards week 12 and the end result here, I'm hoping this score will be 80%. That's what I'm shooting for. But there's no guarantee of that at this point. It's one day at a time, coming back in here, realigning my focus and my attention on those priorities and getting them accomplished. So week 11, I'm, starting to process the results that I've achieved, the obstacles that I've encountered, and what I might do differently in the next 12 weeks or the next quarter, however you prefer to think about this. So that's it in a nutshell for week 11. Midstream, I will do another video at the end of week 12 just to go over the scoring and what was accomplished and what was not of my 12-week plan. And then there will be another video that will be about planning for the next 12 weeks or the next quarter, whichever, way you prefer to shift it. So week 13, we'll be doing goal revision, planning, and setting ourselves up for success with the next 12 weeks. We'll also be duplicating a clean set of our tracking system so that we can archive this one and start afresh with the new 12-week.